Hi everyone, we are Tech. People PM me and ask me some details about this auto barrel for the Marui HK.45. I'm glad that some players they are so careful and look at so small details. And the answer is here we add a small grooves nearby the O-ring groove. And actually many products they just lost this small part, and actually this will only show up in the real fire weapon, and the RA-Tech replicate this detail. So this outer barrel not only have a good looking and also has a correct shape compared with the HK.45.